Students, back with your GK class. Now, up till now, we have completed up to topic sports. Now, starting with the topic of nature. Nature, you are having two subtopics: nature's furry, that is page number 4, and second is amazing fruits, that is page number 38. Now, nature's furry. So, these are furry is nothing but related with the natural disaster. So, you have to complete the given descriptions. First is the sudden shaking of the ground that occurs when the masses of rock below the earth's surface change the position is called an earthquake. The shifting masses send out shock waves that are powerful enough to destroy cities, break dams, create landslides, tsunamis, and volcanic eruptions. The natural disaster of this type can be detected by an instrument called seismograph. The world's largest such disaster occurred on 22nd May 1960 near Valdivia in southern Chile. Then second is a tsunami is a large and destructive water wave caused by the sudden disturbance that vertically displaces the water column. These waves pack enough energy to destroy an entire coastal community in moments. Underwater earthquakes and volcanic eruptions are the most common causes of this furry. The deadliest event of this time was recorded in history when it hit the shores of Indian Ocean in 2004 and killed at least 2,25,000 people across a dozen countries. Third is cyclones are intense circular storms that originate over tropical oceans. They are also called typhoons in the western North Pacific region and around the Philippines, Japan, and China. They usually start as disturbance in the ocean and sweep over islands and peninsulas with their wind speed reaching up to 121 km an hour. They are characterized by very strong winds and torrential rains, ranked as the costliest natural disaster in US history. A natural disaster of this type called Katrina struck the southeastern United States in late 2005, August 2005, claiming more than 1,800 lives. Fourth, a tornado is a column of strong rotating winds. It is shaped like a funnel or a pillar which develops during thunderstorm. The column reaches down from a cloud to touch the ground and then moves along the ground at about 45 km an hour. Its speed can reach up to 500 km an hour. It can destroy buildings and throw heavy objects high into the air. One of the deadliest such natural calamity in recorded history struck the Maniganj district of Bangladesh on 26 April 1989. Then is fifth, a flood is a high water event in which water overflows its natural or artificial banks into land. The deadliest such natural disaster have been caused by sudden heavy rainfall or a broken dam in 1887, 1931 or 1938. In China, the natural calamity caused by the overflowing of the Huanghe is considered to be the deadliest of its kind in the history. Sixth, dash occurred due to the shortage of rainfall, that is droughts, over a long period of time. They can cause water shortage, crop damage, and depletion of groundwater. They are of four basic types: unpredictable, permanent, seasonal, and invisible. Two major famines were caused due to this type of nature furry. The Great Chinese Famine of 1959 to 1961 claimed the lives of 15 to 30 million people. In India, over 10 people died in Bengal famine that occurred in the region during 1769 to 73. Now you have to choose the correct answer. Which city was affected by the Great Fire of 1666 in Europe, that is England? London. Second, in which year did the mostly deadly cyclone in recorded history occur in Bangladesh, that is 1970? Third, what is the flash of light from an electric discharge in the atmosphere called lightning? Fourth, in which year was the fastest window speed on 408 km an hour recorded, that is Australia? What are the severe winter storms characterized by strong winds and heavy snow called, that is blizzards? Now coming to page number 38, these are the amazing fruits. They are the healthiest and nutrient rich food for us. Some foods are very rare. Identify these fruits and write their names. First you can see that is durian. This prickly fruit is large, heavy and unwieldy with its dangerous spiky outer shell. It is nutritional powerhouse packed with antioxidants and vitamins. Second is dragon fruit. It is food produced by a fruit bearing species of cacti which is native to Central and South America. It grows on cactus that blooms for only one night per fruit cycle. Third is yangmi. It is a subtropical small to medium sized evergreen tree that grows up to 10 to 20 meter. Fourth is Monstera deliciosa. It is scaly exterior, must be flaked off and delicately prepared. It takes as long as a year to ripen and to safe enough to eat. Fifth is horned melon. It actually resembles a cucumber as its seeds are found throughout its flesh, not just within a seed cavity. Sixth is Buddha's hand. In Japan, it is called Bushukan and is popular gift at New York's as it is also believed to bestow good fortune on household. Seventh is Cupucua. It is a small to medium sized tree which belongs to the chocolate family and can reach up to 20 meters in height. It has a large seed pod in the center which is filled with beans. Eighth is mangosteen. It is an evergreen tree with dense roundish crown. It can reach 19.7 to 82 feet in height. It is the national fruit of Thailand. Ninth is rambutan. Seed oil from this is formed and is used to manufacture candles and soap. It takes about 5 to 6 years for a tree planted from seed to start to bear any fruit. So this completes our topics. See you again next week. Thank you.